Hi, this is Days. Today I'm going to unbox this Mi Band HRX edition and give a complete review. So let's get started. First, my friends, this is priced at a very cheap price of rupees 1800, which you can get it at 1200 if you buy it from Mi Store, Flipkart or Amazon. The key features of this band are: it is a digital smart band made up of plastic, Bluetooth enabled, active tracker present, OLED display and water resistant. The reading type is digital. It is ideal for both men and women. The build quality is made up of plastic, suitable for fitness. It is touch enabled, water resistant. It functions as step distance compatible device is iPhone and Android phones. It also tracks your sleep, which is provided by Xiaomi. Its sensor type is accelerometer sensor. Unfortunately, it does not have the heart rate monitor which it has on the Mi Band 2. It is shock resistant. It is Wi-Fi enabled, no. Bluetooth enabled, yes. Wireless syncing, yes. Display is OLED. It comes with a 70 mAh battery which gives around for 20 days. It is made up of lithium polymer. It has a feature of incoming calls and message alerts. The dimensions are 15.7 mm, height 40.3 mm, depth 10.5 mm. It is weight around a rough average of 19 to 20 grams. The strap is adjustable length of 155 to 210 mm. It comes with a 1-year warranty, which is a very good feature that is provided by Xiaomi. So as you can see, we are in the app. Let's go to the profile. Here you can see your charge. The last time I charged it 4 days before. Firstly, I'll go to the incoming calls, which is turned off. Alarms, you can set it. You will able to here while it will vibrate. It is the app alert. When you will turn on your Bluetooth, you can listen to it. Idle alert is for reminders. There are another incoming SMSs, incoming email, goal notification, and lastly the DND. Here, if you press the find band, your device will vibrate. Here you can choose which hand you will wear it. Time format is in 12 and 24 hours format. Let's go to the home and see what else we have. Here you will get to know how much steps, how much distance and how much calories you have burned. This is my today's, this is the day before and this is that day's before. My highest is 5000 steps. This is my weight, and as it says that the graph is increasing or decreasing. This is the sleep level where you can measure, where it measures that this is the time. Yellow is that when you are awake, deep sleep means deep purple, and light sleep means light purple. So overall it is a very good product. in this price range. Ones who are fitness gurus like me can try this thing. Okay, here you can give your nickname or any DP you want. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more quality videos.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me.